Hello everyone, welcome to AT Media. So I'm back here, of course, at Bonny Street, filming the demolition, drones in the air. As you can see, very, very dusty here today. So I do need to keep an eye out how I'm flying. But yeah, it's taken out a good portion over the past couple of days. Crossing the road now, avoiding the paedophile in the wheelchair there. The nonce on wheels. But yeah, back here at Bonny Street, of course, filming from the sky. Hopefully the police will leave me alone today. Lovely sunny day here in Blackpool. If we get the chance, I'll show you what it really looks like from above. But for now, check out the work he is doing here at Bonny Street. Of course, we're just on the corner near the promenade. Just next to Happy Days Amusements. Just down there to your left. Once again, big shout out to DSM Demolition, doing all the work here today. Yeah, with any luck, we've got a good few collapses today. You can see they've got this whole portion here that they've been working on. Very, very fragile brickwork compared to the dense concrete and rebar that is the car park below it. Yeah, that's the site hovering right over the excavator, all the way down the arm. Trying to kind of avoid the jets of water. Yeah, nice calm day for flying today. Beautiful day in Blackpool, lovely sunny sky. All the way up to 120, maximum height I can fly here in the UK. It's a nice day for flying as well. You can keep good line of sight, nice clear, lovely clear day. Straight away as soon as I look up, got my eyes on the drone, even though it's so high in the sky. Yeah, that's a quick pan around. Well, the driver down here, 120 metres below you, it's just sorting out material. Gorgeous day, tide's out. Look all the way down to the Plaza Beach there, down the promenade. Central pier there, of course. Just next to that is the no-fly zone for the airport. There's Blackpool Tower itself. Gorgeous.
How many times have you been pulled by police then?
Just twice.
Oh, just
yeah.
I saw the one down here.
Yeah.
They're at it again.
That was my last Bonny Street one, yeah.
They don't answer you that much then?
No, not really. They've gone past me a lot of times, but
Yeah.
it's just like when they've got nothing better to do.
Committing no offence then.
No, exactly, yeah. Yeah, I'd say it's one of the warmest days today here in Blackpool. First time I've got my t-shirt on. Just down there. Not good weather for gingers, so give it a like. Could die for this. Joking, of course. Yeah, big shout out to Springfield, by the way, in town, who printed me some more hoodies and t-shirts off with my new logo. And a new tweaked logo that I've got. Big shout out to them. I'll leave a link in the description below for the website and all the socials, whatever they've got on there. Yeah, we'll have a nosy around the other side of the site while that guy's basically hacking away the bottom bits. Nice and high. What's over here? I think they're just bits of scrap metal, but that's worth a ton, innit? And all the heads around there. The diggers and things, of course. We do actually have a guy working down here as well. We'll have a nosy and see what he's doing. course I do have to make sure I keep line of sight, which I have now. So I can go a bit further. Yeah, looks like he's been doing a bit of work to this side. Double penetration here at Bonny Street. Lovely, jubbly. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on what he's doing. And if need be, I can always fly over there, of course. Well, I'm indeed back in the air here at Bonny Street. Just got to keep an eye. I've got another drone pilot, Leroy. And of course, keep an eye out for all the dust and everything. Yeah, a little bit windier than earlier on, but still good enough to fly. I'll give you a quick look at the whole site from the sky. All the way up. Here at Bonny Street. Massive portion taken out, nearly halfway through. Just need to level out that little section there. Yeah, they've done a lot of work over the past few months of DSM Demolition. So, it's Blackpool Central car park there in the distance. And massive site where, of course, the courts used to be. Well, yeah, looks like he's doing a bit of work down here as well. Get a bit lower, see if we can check out what he's doing. Whilst I keep an eye down here at what this guy's doing. Never miss a bit of action here at Bonny Street. Love having a drone. Woohoo! Yeah, it does look like this one is doing a lot of the work for now, so I'll concentrate on filming this one. Just got to make sure I can keep line of sight of the drone, of course. Yeah, of course, we've got more machinery on the go now. Very safely done, if I may say so. Well folks, that is it from the Bonny Street demolition. It is Wednesday the 8th of May 2025, and yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not, just behind me, that's what that looks like. But yeah, I do apologise, I'm using my new gimbal as well as my new camera at the moment, so yeah, very, very dusty behind me. As usual, we've had a Sangrown Explorer, Leica 31's been here as well, and Film that's been here as well, filming, so check out their channels, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to check out their channels. But yeah, big shout out to once again to DSM Demolition. They've done all the work today, working extremely hard in the Blackpool heat. Oh, it's not that hot yet, nearly summer, I can't wait. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. If you have, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and of course if you are new to HC Media, make sure you do subscribe for more videos from beautiful Blackpool. It is for now anyway, now the sun's out, and I'll see you again on the next video.